In this video, I'll show you how to upload photos from your phone directly to your Google Drive. Let's launch the Google Drive app. Here, you can see that many files are uploaded to this drive. If you upload something new here, you might not find your files easily in this mess. So, I recommend that you create a folder before you upload something to the drive. That way, you will be able to find your files easily. In the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the plus icon. In the pop-up menu, tap on the folder. Here, you have to give a name to the folder. Let's name it Test, for example. After you are done, tap on Create. This is the folder I just created. Open the folder. In the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the plus icon again. This time, tap on Upload. This will take you to the gallery of your phone. Select the photos you want to upload to Drive. After you are done, tap on the tick mark. Here, Google will ask you to check the location of your uploaded photo and the account of your drive. If something is wrong with the account or the location, you can fix it from here. After you are done, tap on Upload. It may take a few moments to upload the files depending on the size of your files. Here are the photos we just uploaded. If you want to find the folder, tap on Files. Here is the folder we are looking for. If I open the folder, you can see that my photos are uploaded here. You can also access these photos on your computer by signing in to the account where you uploaded your photos. Following these steps, you can upload photos from your phone directly to Google Drive easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.